The engine for my Kz1000 is getting some attention today. After my catastrophic transmission damage, I was forced to disassemble that engine and make some corrections, including a new trans. This trans just came back from fast by gas, getting the gears back cut. And I've also decided that I'm going to re-sleeve my cylinder block with some thicker sleeves because I bored out the stock sleeves to an 1105 and I think that just thinned them out too much and the bike ran too hot. So I've got some thicker sleeves and I've got a block that is already bored out for those sleeves. So I'm going to get these pressed in and get these bored out to an 1105, and that should help with heat dissipation. I'm hoping that's kind of my plan. When that transmission got destroyed, it also did some damage to one of my pistons. And this might still be usable, but I just am not taking any chances because this skirt had scuffed up my cylinder walls pretty good. That doesn't really matter because I'm getting new sleeves, but you know, I think parts were flying up in here and chewing it up, and these edges are pretty sharp. I mean, I could file them down, but I just went and bought a new replacement Wiseco piston. So when you get a new piston from Wiseco, this is how it comes. It's kind of slick. Comes in a nice velvet bag, which is pretty cool. So yeah, you get a brand new piston, and everything is clean. You get your brand new rings. So they do a pretty nice job. I like the velvet bags. Seems pretty high end. So that's what's going on now. I've sent I had this engine powder coated, and it was like an alien silver, and it looked cool when it was brand new, but that powder coating wasn't really holding up to the wear and the heat, and there was a lot of staining. It just didn't really look that great. So I sent it back to the powder coater, and he is giving it a chemical bath to get all of the, or most of the powder coating off, and then I'm going to go ahead and vapor blast it and just go with like a raw aluminum. And that's what's happening right now. I'll show some updates on how things are progressing.